In this tutorial, we'll learn about how to use the radio to send messages between microbits. Go ahead and create a new program. Call it MicroChat. Now for this project, we don't need a forever block, so we can drag and drop it onto the toolbox to delete. Now from the radio category, drag a radio set group block into our onStart. The radio group acts as the channel over which we'll send messages. Only microbits who are in the same group will be able to send and receive messages between them. Let's first send a message when we press button A on the microbit. From the input category, drag out an on button A pressed block onto the workspace. From the radio category, drag a radio send string block into our on button A pressed block and type in a message to send. Now let's add code to be able to receive a message. From the radio toolbox category, scroll down and find the on radio received string block. Drag and drop that into the workspace. This block will be listening for any string messages that are sent in radio group 1. To show the messages we receive, let's open the basic toolbox drawer and get a show string block. Drag and drop that into our on radio received block. Since we don't just want to show hello, we're going to use this received string variable. Drag and drop this into our show string block, replacing hello. Great, now let's test our code. In the microbit simulator, press button A. You should see another microbit appear below it with our message. Great job! Now if you have two microbit devices, connect them to your computer and press the purple download button to transfer your code onto both microbits. Now when you press button A on one microbit, you should see your message appear on the other.